Welcome to This Explainer. The digital economy is shifting right under our feet, and today we're going to outline exactly how hundreds of everyday people are quietly unlocking financial independence. And look, it's not by getting lucky, it's by following a very specific, structured path.
Let's be totally honest for a second here. Are you tired of being broke? Or maybe you're just completely exhausted from taking orders from a boss you literally can't stand, grinding away in some 9 to 5 that barely even covers your rent. Look, that pain is incredibly real. But here's the good news. You absolutely don't have to stay stuck. Consider this explainer your realistic, totally barrier-free escape hatch.
Because this moment in history, it's entirely different. The old way meant you needed massive startup capital, a 4-year computer science degree, or, I don't know, a rich uncle just to build a tech business. But the new way, you can leverage AI patterns with zero coding required. You don't need to be a developer anymore. You just need to know how to give the right instructions.
Which brings us to Model 1, Master Prompt Collections, essentially selling instructions to the AI.
Here's the massive secret. Businesses absolutely know they need AI, but honestly, they are totally clueless about how to actually talk to it. And this has created a huge demand for people who can bridge that gap. Marketplaces like PromptBase currently host over 270,000 active prompts. Creators are selling these specialized instructions for anywhere from $2 to $50 a pop. Now, I know that sounds kind of small, but at scale, it is highly lucrative.
So here's your highly actionable 3-step playbook. Step 1, identify a very specific niche. Let's say email marketing for real estate agents. Step 2, use Claude to engineer a specialized master prompt, because Claude is literally phenomenal at formatting complex instructions. And step 3, just ask Claude to export 5 to 10 of those prompts into a cleanly formatted Notion template. It doesn't just write the prompts, it literally organizes the entire final product for you.
Okay, here is your prompt tech stack. You need Claude for the brains, Notion for the formatting, and platforms like PromptBase or Gumroad to actually sell them. Creators are packing these into comprehensive collections and generating thousands of dollars in their very first month. It's crazy. Moving right along to Model 2, digital art and stickers, consumable digital assets. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, I'm not an artist. But you don't need to be creating complex, large-scale gallery art that belongs in the Louvre. We are talking about simple, aesthetic planner stickers. Top sellers on platforms like Etsy are consistently moving 50 to 200 units a month per product, pricing them at $4 to $20 a pack. People just absolutely love consuming these little digital assets. So here's your exact execution pipeline. Step 1, ask Claude to brainstorm some trending terms. Think something like minimalist botanical sticker pack and have it generate detailed image descriptions. Step 2, input those descriptions into Google AI Studio to generate the actual artwork. And step 3, bring those images right into Canva Pro, remove the backgrounds, and arrange them on a digital sheet. Boom, finished product. The art tech stack is super accessible. Claude, Google AI Studio, Canva Pro, and Etsy. But hey, here's a pro tip for you. Listing on subscription platforms like Creative Fabrica actually means you earn revenue every single time a user clicks download. It is like the absolute purest definition of passive income. All right, Model 3, automated YouTube channels, faceless scaling.
In the past, the barrier to entry for YouTube was insanely high, right? You needed expensive editing software, a massive camera rig, professional voiceover skills. Well, AI has completely obliterated those barriers. Just look at this number, $4,300. That's the monthly revenue from a purely AI-generated channel called Just Thought Lounge. Faceless channels are amassing hundreds of thousands of subscribers without the creator ever stepping in front of a lens. Wild, right?
You gotta treat this like your own personal production assembly line. Step 1, use Claude to write highly engaging, high-retention video scripts. Step 2, paste that exact script into 11 Labs for an incredibly realistic AI voice. Step 3, generate your visuals using Runway ML for the B-roll, or use an AI avatar via Cassia. Literally, one single person can now produce professional-grade content at scale. Your YouTube tech stack ties it all together beautifully. Claude and 11 Labs for your script and audio, Runway ML or Cassia for the visuals, an editor like Descript or CapCut, and finally, Canva for a high-converting thumbnail. You are essentially running a one-person media empire all from your laptop. Which leads us perfectly into Model 4, building no-code software. You are now a software founder. I want to aggressively point out here that the software industry has fundamentally shifted. You no longer need to know how to code to build and sell software as a service. The workflow is genuinely mind-blowing. You define the problem in Claude, you let Lovable write the code, and you collect payments on Stripe. That's it. Businesses pay monthly subscriptions for niche tools, and AI is literally writing the web app code for you in a matter of days.
Breaking down these rapid-fire steps. First, map out the specific features in Claude, like say a project management dashboard for freelance designers. Step 2, describe those exact features to Lovable and literally watch the AI build a fully functional web app right before your eyes. Step 3, create a quick landing page on Webflow or Lovable and integrate Stripe. Real-world examples of this are live right now, like Promotix.com, which was built entirely on Lovable.
This SaaS tech stack takes you from a random idea floating in your head to a live software business ready to charge customers. You're using Claude, Bold, Lovable, Webflow, and Stripe. You are literally bypassing years of computer science education in a single afternoon. How cool is that?
Finally, Model 5, AI-generated video courses. High perceived value digital assets.
Digital education is just a massive, massive industry. And here is the honest truth. Video courses carry a significantly higher perceived value than a simple PDF or ebook. And because of that, successful creators on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad are pricing their courses between $29 and $99 a pop, and they're moving hundreds of copies a month.
So this is basically the course creation speedrun. Step 1, use Claude to logically structure a comprehensive curriculum and detailed lesson plans. Step 2, use HeyGen or 11 Labs to generate the video and audio content for your actual modules. Step 3, design the presentation slides in Canva or ChatGPT and edit the whole shebang together. What used to take months of stressful filming now takes, a few hours?
Your course tech stack is incredibly simple. Claude, HeyGen or 11 Labs, Canva or ChatGPT, and a hosting platform like Gumroad, Teachable, or Skillshare. And remember, whether you charge a one-time fee or take a share of subscription revenue, you are building a digital asset that pays you long after the initial work is done.
Which brings us to the ultimate question. The tools are completely free, the blueprints are 100% proven, the steps are literally mapped out for you right here. So, what's your excuse now? Seriously, it's time to stop complaining about being broke, stop agonizing over that boss you can't stand, and actually execute just one of these 5 models today. The escape hatch is wide open. Are you going to walk through it?